basically, so Chris is like freaking out. He's like, "This damn thing." I'm like, "Hey, calm down," and he starts getting violent, right? So I whip out 240 and
I grab him and shock him right in the temples.
I just slam it into his earlobes and just fuck him up. There you go.
As I do. I often get violently angry.
Yeah, like with that lead nut.
I often get...
oil lug.
That one I was actually mad.
Oh, yeah.
Like, not even joking mad.
Or with the wire at work.
I can tell Chris is mad when I go, do you need help? And he's just silent. And I was just like, okay, I'll just step over here. I'm just going to step over here for now.